Welcome viewers. In today's maths, we want to look at a word problem involving fractions. The question is given. A car travels for 15 km in city at a certain speed, full stop. Outside the city, it travels 72 km at twice its former speed. If the total traveling time is 1 hour, 8 minutes, find the average speed in city. Very good. This is a word problem. Let us begin by interpreting everything, the key words that are in the question. Therefore, solution to this question. First and foremost, this car travels at a distance of 15 kilometers in city and at a certain speed. So we do not know the speed that the car travels in city. Therefore, let the speed in city be x. So we do not know the speed in which the car travels in city. Let it be x. Also, outside the city, it travels 72 kilometers at twice its former speed. The former speed is x. It is unknown. But twice its former speed means 2x. We can now say, let the speed outside the city, be 2x. Since the question says twice its former speed. So the former speed is certain speed, which is x. Twice that x is 2x. So we have known the speed outside the city and the speed inside the city. Good. But then, what about the distance? The distance in city is given to be 15 kilometers. While the distance outside the city it travels at 72 kilometers. Therefore, distance outside city is equal to 72 kilometers. So the information is complete. Therefore, we also have it. If the total traveling time is 1 hour, 8 minutes. So let us convert this time to hours. 1 hour total traveling time is equal to 1 hour, 8 minutes, which is the same thing as 1 hour, 8 all over 60, changing it to hours. And that is the same thing as 1 hour, one whole number, then 4 into 8 is 2, 4 into 60 is 15. That can now give us in a proper fraction. We are converting hour and minutes to just hours. So 15 times 1 plus 2 will give me 17 all over 15 hours. What this means is that the total traveling time, both the time for traveling in the city and the time for traveling outside the city, is equal to 17 over 15 hours. In hours, no longer in hours and minutes. Therefore, we are asked to find the average speed in city. Alright, but look at it again. What about time? Remember, since time is given, total traveling time. What is the traveling time in city? Time is given by distance all over speed. That is formula for time. So the time for traveling in city is the distance, and distance in city is 15 kilometers. That is 15 all over the speed. Speed in city is x. Also, time for traveling outside the city. The kilometers is given to us outside the city as 72. So the time for traveling is also the same thing as distance all over speed, which is equal to 72 divided by the speed. Remember, the speed is twice the former speed. twice the former speed, which is now 72 all over 2x is equal to the time for traveling outside the city. Now we have gotten the time for traveling in the city and time for traveling outside the city. Therefore, total time for traveling will now be time for traveling in city, which is, in fact, the addition of these two. Okay? If they are added together, it will give us the total time for traveling. And that means that total time for traveling has been calculated. It is given. It has now been calculated in hours, which is equal to 17 all over 15 hours. Beautiful. Please, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. The name of the channel is Tutor Cletus Okoli. Now, see the time for traveling in city, 15 all over x, plus the time for traveling outside the city is 72 all over 2x. Altogether, it is equal to 17 all over 15. What the question has asked us to find is the average speed for traveling in city. But remember that speed for traveling in city is x. So when we get the value of x, that is the solution that we are looking for. The average speed in city, speed for traveling in city. That is represented by letter x. So if you solve for x now and get the value of x in kilometers per hour, that becomes the final answer. Therefore, the LCM of the left hand side is 2x. X divided 2x will give me 2. 2 multiplied by 15 is 30 plus 2x divided 2x is 1 multiplied by 72 is 72. Equal to the total time. Okay? Therefore, this plus this will give me 102 all over 2x equal to 17 all over 15. By cross multiplication, 15 multiplied by this will give me 102 multiplied by 15 equal to 17 times 2x will give me 34x. Therefore, x now will be equal to 102 multiplied by 15 all over 34. That will give me the value of x. And if that is done, 102 multiplied by 15 is going to give me 1530 divided by 34. Divided by 34. So that is going to give me 45. 45. And this 45 is the value of x, which is the speed for traveling in the city. And that is what we are asked to find the speed for traveling in the city. And that is 45 kilometers per hour. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. More videos on word problems will be coming from now on. May God bless you. Remain strict.